in the 100-acre wood. Christopher Robin have had many wonderful adventures, and if I am correct, I believe we just enough time to see one on this fine day. Winnie the Pooh was invited over to his friend Rabbit's house for her bit of lunch being served, his most favorite of food, who happily sat down to eat, had the ate and ate and ate and ate until at last he said a rabbit in rather sticky voice. The one morning, a rabbit began to wonder if Pooh might be stuck there forever. A miraculous thing happened.
I must be going now. Goodbye, Rabbit.
Pooh who stuck. And they had all said
Who knew?
goodbye.
Who knew?
And thank you
Help
to
and
Christopher
bother.
Robin. Pooh walked home
Well,
thoughtfully
it all
together
comes
in the
from
golden
eating.
evening. And
It
for a
all
long
comes
time
from
they
not
were
having
silent.
front doors big enough.
If I have to face that thing for month, well, I might as well make the best for it. Oh no, there it is again. I'll just turn the mirror to the wall. Oh dear. He budge, hooray, Christopher Robin, a Christopher Robin, he pitch, he patch. He book, today's the day.
Oh, what happened to Pooh?
He stuck very well, and please help Pooh to pull out.
Please help me, Christopher Robin.
Yeah, sure, I will help you out. Don't worry, Pooh. Pull, 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 pull it, he said to the rabbit.
Push the Pooh very hardly.
Thank you, Christopher Robin.